Good evening. I'm going to continue to give a talk on COVID-19 outbreak. I've been giving series of talks for the past 1 week. Already I completed 8 talks on COVID-19. My target is completing 19 talks on COVID-19. So today's talk theme is sustainable development. Sustainable development. Yesterday I was talking about restoration of the ecosystem, renovating the ecosystem. Yesterday I was talking about the globe, equator, and 40-degree north, 65-degree north, 80-degree north and south, the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. They contain hundreds of ecosystems. Actually, the northern part, especially the Arctic region, ecosystem is known as tundra or taiga. Then comes boreal forest, another ecosystem. It encircles the whole globe. The boreal forests are mostly the pine trees, and actually they produce so much of oxygen, and the atmosphere is replenished every day. And then comes deciduous forests, especially in Canada, America, and comes tropical rainforest like South America, Africa, equator, and then there are so many other ecosystems like savanna, that is grasslands, and chaparral, and mountains, lakes. Ocean is also an ecosystem. There are hundreds of ecosystems. So every ecosystem is destroyed around the globe because of 7 plus billion human beings. Every ecosystem is colonized. Mountains, rivers, lakes, even oceans, even skies, space station. Everything is colonized by humans. So what is the restoration of an ecosystem? I think we need to give back nature its own place. We better move away gently from the mountains, from the lakes, from the rivers, from the oceans, from the sky. Leave the nature to reclaim its own habitat. There are 24 hotspots, people say, around the globe. They are the 24 Garden of Edens. One example is Amazon, or Africa, Wango Delta, or Ngorongoro Crater, or Western Ghats in India. These are known as the hotspots of biodiversity. There are 24 of them. So I think we need to give them their own place. Don't interfere with them and allow them to replenish and come back to normalcy, because we have been interfering with them too much. Step out. Yesterday I was talking about northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. I told you Arctic Circle belongs to polar bears. Why humans are living there? Why don't you come down to closer to equator, so you provide the place for the polar bears? That is the way we restore an Arctic ecosystem like taiga or tundra ecosystems, or even boreal forest. Humans have been colonizing even boreal forest. Come down and let them reclaim. So why do you go and colonize like the southern Argentina, especially Patagonia or Antarctica, the southern hemisphere? Why do you go and colonize there? Why do you go and fish in Antarctic waters? That food belongs to penguins, especially emperor penguins land the southern hemisphere. Why humans go and colonize there? Especially in the South America, Patagonia. Why we live there? Clear Antarctica, the continent of Antarctica. Wow, only ice. See that? Humans, exit from there. You need to exit and come to your space, to equator. Maybe 40 degrees north, 40 degrees south. That is the way restoring the ecosystem, or restoring an ecosystem. Humans get out from every ecosystem. Of course, we need to live too. I'm not telling that we should die, all of us. No, you have your own place. Find your own place. Don't go and occupy the whole planet. It's a big planet. There is place for everybody. So why do you fight? Why do you drive out species to the brink of extinction? We need not sideline and oppress any species. We can live beside them, along with them.